Okay, we're going to use the data analysis tool in Excel to come up with a trend line and to forecast a value. In this problem 12.48, it says determine the equation of the trend line for the data shown below on U.S. exports of fertilizer to Indonesia over a 5-year period provided by the U.S. Census Bureau. Okay, once we find the trend line, we're to forecast how much fertilizer is being shipped to Indonesia in dollar amounts. Okay, the first thing we're going to do to find the trend line is click on data. We're going to use the data analysis tool. We'll go all the way down to data analysis, select regression. Okay, and then we're going to select the Y range. The Y is what we're trying to predict, which is the fertilizer sales. So I'm going to highlight the fertilizer sales. Okay, the X values are the years. That's the information I'm giving, the years. So if I have the years, I want to predict what the fertilizer sales are. I must have the labels checked because I did highlight the labels. And I'm going to create a new worksheet called regression. I'll highlight the residuals. I'll do a residual plot, a line fit plot, a normal probability plot. Those are some options that I can choose. Okay, when I get my results, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make it larger so we can all see. And I'm going to stretch a few columns. Okay, so if I look at here, I have an R-square value. R-square value is 0.91. That means if I know the year, 91, that gives me 91% of the data necessary to predict what the fertilizer sales are going to be. The second value I'm going to look at is the significance level, the significant F. It's 0.011. Okay, it's just slightly larger than 1%. So at a 5% level, we have a significant regression line. What is that trend line? Okay, the fertilizer sales is equal to negative $6,428.97, plus 3.21 times the year. So that's my trend line. Now I want to predict how much in fertilizer sales we're going to produce or export over in year 2013. Okay, so to get that number, I'm going to go up to my coefficient, which is the negative $6,428.97, plus I'm going to go to 3.21, and I'm going to multiply that by the 2013, and that gives me my answer. I can expect in the year 2013 $32.76 million of fertilizer to be exported into Indonesia. And that concludes the video example of how to do a trend line and do a prediction for GB 513.